Richard from NCMT is here to tell us why we should be visiting their stand at MAC. Over to you.
Yep, so at MAC we're going to be exhibiting many machines. One of them in particular is the machine behind me, which is the LB3000EX2. It is the world's first to have an inside of the machine robotic arm. The robotic arm can interchange 3 different hands if you like. So a gripper hand, a work steady and a coolant air nozzle.
Okay, and what is the benefit, the main draw to go for this machine?
Big benefits are footprint is compact. So as you can see, the stocker is very small. The other big benefit is you don't need to get an integrator in to program the robot. All done from the control, so the operator can program that very easily.
Absolutely brilliant. Now, come and visit the stand during MAC Week. However, MTD-CNC are doing a live show in the morning of Tuesday and Wednesday. So I'll see you there, and I'll see you there too.